nagbabalik po kami sa Moms to Work for our topic for today, abortion.
Ako, ayan mga mommies. Sa mga kaka-join lang sa amin, napakainit na nga may conversation ngayon. Father, baka meron po tayong gustong sabihin or message or
Kasi
Wait lang.
one way or the other, baka meron tayong mommy dyan na nag-undergo ng, confusion.
yes.
Or your child is into that situation.
Yes, ang hirap-hirap, no? Kasi, ang hirap di ba? Kasi, totoo naman talaga na it's a sin, di ba? Tsaka, hello, for me, or for my opinion, hindi mo dapat talaga dinadama yung bata. Kasi wala naman siyang kasalanan dun I mean, siguro nga mahirap yung iba na, let's say, nasa sitwasyon na yun hindi ginusto, yung puwersa and all that. But then again, siguro, maghanap na lang ng yung way of yung kung paano siya makaka-cope and all that stuff. Diba? Sabi nga nila, hindi mo masasabing masakit hanggat wala ka sa ganung sitwasyon But then again, always remember na may gagawin kang something, isipin mo muna kung merong damay sa consequences na mangyayari, di ba? Kasi yung bata, inosenteng
In short,
buhay
hindi maitatama ng isa pang mali. Ang mali na.
Another mistake.
Yes, naman. Bago tayo magtapos, ako, Father, baka may gusto ko kayong sabihin sa mga viewers natin.
One thing is that concerning abortion, let's not take life. Let us always uphold life. And if ever we are in that situation, the church is open para tulungan po kayo. Never hesitate to come and ask for help. And the church will be willing to help you. And of course, in those situations also, sana ho, magtulungan po tayo. Lahat po tayo.
Paano po kung halimbawa may kumontak sa amin, si Father Manny mukhang approachable. Saan ba namin siya makikita?
Yes! Diba? Parang gusto ko siya magbinyag ng anak ko.
Okay,
nga, yes! Yan, Mother!
Well,
go.
one thing is that right now I'm assigned in Immaculate Conception School of Theology sa Pantay Daya.
Pantay Daya.
Yes.
Yan.
And,
Pantay Daya.
I am currently the spiritual director, so if you ever wish to come, wish to speak with me or talk with me or share with your experiences, I'd be glad to listen to you. And if ever, since actually I'm only assigned here, I'm a priest from the Diocese of Baguio. So if you get to want to see me there, you could just come over sa cathedral area po, and they would just contact me, and I'll be glad to listen to you.
Yeah.
Be in touch with you.
Okay, yan.
Mabisita si Father.
Bisitahin natin tsikahin natin. Ay nako, ang dami na natin na pag-usapan mga pare. Medyo lang. Natutulayan na nga tayo sa sobrang grabe na.
One thing is, thank you very much for inviting me over
Yes.
to not converse with you concerning this topic of ours, abortion. And nice meeting you po.
Ay nako. Maraming salamat po at pinagbigyan niyo po ang aming show at nag-guest, nagbigay ho kayo ng time at nag-guest po kayo sa amin. At saka, for sure, marami tayong mga mommies dyan na naliwanagan. Diba? Kasi, very sad, very sad. Alam mo, tama yung sinabi ni Father kanina Yung kung gaano man kahirap, kasi nga, lalo na sa mga na-force or yung mga pangit yung sitwasyon, pero, andyan na, diba? Parang, at magtiis na tayo ng 9 months. Parang, kung ayaw talaga yung baby, bigay na lang natin sa iba. Diba?
Abortion is not always
It's not always
the
the
answer.
Yes.
Oo.
To any problem.
Ang daming mga parents na nagtatry, gustong magka-baby, pero hindi magka-baby.
Hindi magka-baby.
Tapos
Diba?
gaganon mo lang.
Oo. At saka, hello, wag ka magtapon sa basura kung sino ka man. Talagang gano'n, nanawagan. Ba't yan? Wag yan.
Lalong-lalo na sa airplane.
Oo, wag ganun ba talaga yan? Please, I know, talagang, ako na mismo ang nakikiusap na ko mga mommies or kung sino man ang nasa ganitong sitwasyon for now. Ang hirap di ba? Siguro sinasabi na easy for you to say, di ba? But then again, nakikiusap na ho kami na, wag na nating yung isa pang mistake. Bigay na lang natin yung bata. Kung ayaw talaga.
I'd like to add up. Siguro there are just 3 points that we have to remember pag ganyan. If unwanted child and then pag teenage pregnancy, abortion is not always the solution for it. So, run to your parents, your family, para matulungan kanila,
Yes.
and at the same time for the parents themselves they should try to understand and love their child, diba?
Yes.
And at the same time, this is the time we're in. Sabi nga nila, children are in need of love the most, especially when they don't deserve it. So this
Yes.
is the time that the parents should watch on their child.
Yes.
And if kunwari, na-rape ka or whatever, tapos nabuntis ka, so as what Father said, there is a more humane form on dealing with this. So
And may counseling.
tiisin mo na lang. I mean, you give birth to it, then you give it to a family who would like to have a child. So,
Yes.
much better yung ganun.
I just hope no na kasi may mga instances na yung parents themselves ang nagpo-force dun sa
Yeah.
That's the sad part. That's
Oo,
the
yung
sad
parents
part
din mismo na tanggalin mo yan. Hindi namin
I know
matanggal.
someone yung talagang nag-usap sila, yung family ng girl, family ng guy, nag-usap-usap sila, and
They're into it.
pursued.
Yes.
Oh my
Oo,
God.
may
So
mga
sabi
ganung
ko,
instances.
how were you able? Because
Oo,
yung
may mga ganung
kapatid ko, he
instances.
was only 15, so yung girlfriend niya 14, so paano
Paano na lang sila? Ang babata pa
Yes,
naman.
yes,
Yung mga instances talagang ganun, di ba, Father?
Yeah, that's why we really have to overcome such mentality.
That's so sad.
Kasi iniisip ng iba muna yung kahihiyan eh. Yung muna kasi. Para bang mamamatay ka na sa kahihiyan. Which is wala naman nangyayari na gano'n na may namamatay ng kahihiyan. Yun. So, napaka...
Di ba parang
Speechless
mas
ako.
nakakahiya naman pag pina-abort mo, di ba?
Oo. Parang iniisip, they're thinking na yun yung mas better way, or better solution. But then again, kawawa naman yun. Iniisip lang, ayun na naman
Kawawa naman
Doon
yung bata.
papasok-
Walang kamuhang-muhang. Siya yung pinag-uusapan.
Yes, doon papasok yung
Kumbaga,
selfishness.
O parang kung makakapagsalita lang yung bata, pwede ba ako may masabi? O, di ba?
Exactly. At saka lahat naman tayo binigyan ng mga sarili nating magulang na karapatang, mabuhay. So, di ba? Wala tayong karapatang sabi nga nila sa Bible, sa church, wala tayong karapatang kumitil ng buhay, ng sino mang may buhay. Isa na namang napakainit na episode ngayon ng Mom's World. Pero bago po tayo magtapos, baka may gusto pasalamatan everybody. You guys, you have, someone to
Mami
thank to?
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for inviting me here again. It's always my pleasure. And, ano pa?
Message.
Message to all moms with daughters or women who are undergoing this kinds of situation. Always remember, abortion is not always a solution for these kinds of problems. There's a better way. Dapat we're all pro-life. Kasi in the
Yes.
first place, paano na lang ba kung ikaw ang pinabort, diba? I mean, diba?
Yes.
You yourself are living, alive, tapos papa-abort ka.
Yes.
Yun lang.
Yan. Ang akin naman, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, responsibility is very important sa ganitong bagay. Sa lahat kasi na ginagawa natin, we have to be responsible for our own actions. Every day yan, every minute of our life. So, kung mag-undergo ka ng thinking na lang ng magpapa-abort, hindi lang think twice, hindi lang think million times, wag na. Wag mo nang pag-isipan na, wag mo nang pag-isipan, yun na yun. Kasi one way or another, may karma na tinatawag. So, wag na lang.
True. Ayan, nako. Bago pa magtapos ang aming show, nako, ayan, gusto po sana namin munang magpasalamat sa aming mga sponsors. Una sa lahat, thank you so much to Noli Morales Salon, located at the Sunny Floor Landmark, Masesing sa Street, Vigan City, and yes, to Hidden Garden, to Mr. and Mrs. Francis Flores of Hidden Garden. Maraming salamat po. To Klongy, makeup artist naman. Your makeup artist.
Yes, I'd like to thank my good friend Dan August Guerrero for my hair and makeup today. And pagbati na rin sa family ko, my brother, my sister-in-law, Joey, Ken, sa anak ko, hi Nico.
Yeah, I'd like to say thank you to myself, and myself.
Yes, why not?
And then I'd say hi to my mom, my brother, my dad, my daughter Fiona, to the faculty of the College of Nursing in UNP, to my students, hi. That's it.
Father, baka meron kang gusto i-greet. Thank you kay yes.
One thing is that hello to the ICSD community. Hopefully you're watching this one. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say.
Ay, naku, bago kami magtapos, gusto ko munang ibigay ito. Thank you guys for joining me today.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining me.
Thanks,
At wala si Mother Tess, sayang. Na-miss out na naman yan. Isang napakagandang episode. Well, bago ako pa pala, di pa ako nag-thank you pala. Thank you to Mommy Eva for my outfit today. O, diba? Talagang ganun. And hello to my family. Sa mama ko, Mama, Micah, Mommy Eva, Daddy Ferdy, Carlo Uno, Janina Joanna, Weng, Ate Lori, Uno, Yuna, my friends, John, Bernie, Karen, Ate Ann, and to all the televiewers out there, hello. Thank you for watching Moms the Word. Ayan, dyan mo nagtatapos sa nag-iisang talk show ng mga mommies, pati na rin ng mga daddies at ng buong pamilya. This is
Moms the
Word. Bye, everybody!